Someone help me please. Is the answer up above? How can I tell them this is not a puppy love?
What is it, buddy? Huh? What is it, buddy? What is it? What is it? Huh? What a cute little self.
Again, now we've got orange dream, yellow belly. Again, another one. The orange dream and the yellow belly stuff.
Hey, Daisy.
Look at the color and pattern. It's really, really beautiful. Definitely going to have.
Don't bite me. No biting.
They are gorgeous. You know Mary's going to be putting keep on a bunch of this stuff. You know what's going to happen? Number one, Mary's going to have a bunch of keep, and you know Eric and Mary are going to want to buy a bunch of this stuff.
I know, but it's all for sale.
Let's see, black pastel, yellow belly. Okay, that's kind of cool. Just a black pastel and yellow belly. Look at that belly pattern right there. Whew. So that's crazy cool. Yeah, so let's see, anything else in this? Okay, box one down. We'll look at box two. I think that's good. Whoa, there's a couple nice animals in here. What the heck? Oh, interesting. That looks really cool. It looks so, I know, but that looks different to me than the last one. This again, it's just another super pastel highway, but I don't know. This one looked like, I almost thought it had like leopard in it or something like